How to pronounce SZE. Let's start by breaking SZE into its components. Although it might look like a jumble of letters, we can simplify it. The SZE sound. In many languages, particularly Hungarian, the combination SZE is pronounced like the English S as in snake. So think of it as making a smooth, hissing SSS sound. The E sound, the letter E is pronounced like the short E in bed or set. It's a quick, relaxed sound with your mouth slightly open. When we put them together, she sounds like SZE. Let's practice that together. I'm going to say it slowly first, then at a normal pace. SZE, 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 SZE. Here are some tips to help you nail it. Tip 1. Relax your mouth and don't overemphasize the it's a smooth, quick sound. Tip 2. Practice the S sound by hissing softly, then immediately add the A sound. Tip 3. Record yourself and compare your pronunciation to mine. Listening back can really help. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more pronunciation tips.